If you're seeing Facebook error code 400, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. This error is usually caused by a browser issue, a bad session, a connection problem, or something interfering with Facebook loading properly. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, check the URL you're trying to open. Sometimes Facebook error code 400 happens because the link is incomplete, broken, or copied incorrectly. Make sure the address looks right and that you're opening the correct Facebook page. If you pasted the link into your browser, try deleting it and typing it again carefully. Even a small mistake in the URL can trigger this error. Next, try opening Facebook in Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This is one of the fastest ways to test whether the problem is being caused by cookies, cache data, or extensions in your browser. In Chrome, for example, you can open a new incognito window and then visit Facebook again. If Facebook works there, that usually means the issue is related to your normal browser session rather than Facebook itself. If incognito mode works, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Over time, your browser stores cookies, cached images, and temporary files that can sometimes become outdated or corrupted. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cache data and cookies for Facebook or for all time if needed. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Facebook again. This often fixes error code 400 right away. Another thing you should do is disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions, can interfere with Facebook and cause loading errors. Try turning them off one by one, then refresh Facebook and check if the error disappears. If the site starts working after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. You can then keep that extension off for Facebook or remove it entirely if needed. Also, check your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection can sometimes cause Facebook to return an error 400 because the page request doesn't complete properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, restarting your router, or simply reconnecting your network. You can also open another website to make sure your internet is working normally. If other sites are loading fine but Facebook still shows the error, then the issue is more likely with the browser or Facebook session. If you've tried all of that and the error is still there, log out of Facebook completely and sign back in. Sometimes a corrupted session can cause strange page errors, and refreshing your login can clear it up. You can also try using a different browser or even a different device to see if the problem is specific to one setup. If Facebook loads normally elsewhere, then you know the issue is local to your original browser or device. To recap, the main fixes for Facebook error code 400 are checking the URL, trying incognito mode, clearing browsing data, disabling extensions, and checking your internet connection. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem. Keep going through them one by one, and you should be able to get Facebook working again without much trouble. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having problems, leave a comment and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.